In this video, I'm going to show you how to get pearls in Roselet Bay inside Fish in Roblox. So as you can see, I'm holding a pearl right now. It's actually an Aurora pearl I just got from a clam, and I'm going to show you how to get pearls yourself inside Roselet. So the first step would of course be to come to Roselet Bay, which is actually just straightforward from the spawning point. So wherever you spawn in that starting area, just go straight, and then you will kind of have to sail the sea and you will see Roselet Bay. Then direct yourself towards Roselet Bay, and once you come over here, you're going to go to the location I'm going to show you right now, and this is over here. So over here at this starting point, you want to walk up this little hill over here, and then you want to kind of go towards the left. Okay, so I'm walking kind of slow inside the game. You're just gonna have to bear with me and I'll show you how to get there. You want to go over here, kind of past this angler over here, which has some quests ready for you, and then you want to go over here to the left as well, yet again, there we go, past this little lake area over here, and then you come to the Roselet Bay yet again in the Roselet Pond. And then over here at the very back, if you have a radar, you'll be able to see it, you can catch clams, okay? So down there, there's a bunch of flags over there, as you can see. If you go down there, you have a high chance to actually catch a clam. And I'm going to show you that right now, because clams have those pearls inside them, and when you catch a clam, you actually get a pearl as well. So if I were to just throw that in right there, and I'm going to just shake it away so I can show you how to do this right now. It's going to take a few seconds, and a fish is gonna bite, and I'm gonna show you how to get the pearl. So I'm shaking right now, still should be any second. There we go. I'm gonna try to get a fish. There we go, just in a second, and it keeps on going. There we go, and as you can see, I just got a clam, and it says your clam had a pearl inside, and I got a new catch. So you just get a clam basically with a pearl. If I open up my inventory, as you can see, I got myself a pearl, and I have it in my hand right now. So that's pretty much it. That's how you can get pearls in Roselet Bay inside Fish. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.